kapag hindi ko kayo nabanggit. Okay? Acuna,
Present po.
Ahena,
Present po.
Alvarez, Alvarez Claire,
Present po.
Alvarez John Clark,
Present po.
Amador,
Present po.
Atienza,
Present po.
Banawa,
Present po.
Bongkin,
Present po.
Brigildo,
Present po.
Camba,
Present po.
Capio,
Present po.
Castor,
Present po.
De Guzman,
Present po.
Del Rosario, I am Engineer Michelle Imanong Song, so I am a ceramic engineer. Lecturer 1, so I am Sir A. Alumna, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Ceramic Engineering, batch 2026. So kakagraduate ko lang last month. And na-receive ko lang yung email ko that I got hired nung Wednesday lang, kaya hindi ko kayo na-meet nung mga nakaraang araw. So nga ngayong araw pa lang ako nag-start, kaya nga ngayong araw ko pa lang kayo na-meet and padalawa pa lang kayo sa student ko na na-meet. So I'm a graduate from Bat State U, TNEU, Alangilan Campus. So here is our schedule. Kindly confirm kung tama nga. Sa Tuesday, 1 to 3 p.m. So to be announced yung room nyo and add week yung inyong face-to-face schedule. So since to be announced pa yung room, ang advice ng department chair nyo is online class hanggang wala pang nahahanap na room for this subject. And also for Friday is 10 to 11 a.m. online. So, tama ba yung nakalagay sa portal nyo? Same schedule ba? Okay. So you can connect with me through my messenger and my G Suite account. So if you guys have any concern, questions, clarifications about the subject, so you can message me in my messenger and G Suite account. So if urgent, sa messenger nyo na lang ako i-chat. May questions ba? Meron kayong questions? Today lang naman is magdi-discuss lang ako ng syllabus and next week na lang tayo mag-start ng ating first topic. So if may conflict kayo sa schedule, sabihin nyo lang sa akin para if ever, baka pwede nating ma-adjust. And if ever na hindi kayo makaka-attend, so kindly tell me then or to your class representative. So now let's have a discussion of syllabus. So I know na hindi naman na kayo bago sa syllabus. So i-discuss ko na lang yung importante sa subject natin. So our course title is Material Science and Engineering. Course code is M412 and it is categorized as an allied course. At wala naman siyang prerequisite. So ang credit hours niya is 3 hours lecture. And for the period of study is 18 weeks. So ang first semester natin is consisting of 18 weeks. For our criteria for assessment, 15% for preliminary examination, 15% for midterm examination, 20% for final examination, 15% for quizzes or exercises, and 35% for report, which includes research and critic paper. So for the learning objectives of this course, upon completion of this course, the student should be able to first recognize the fundamental science and engineering principles relevant to materials and lattices. Next is determine the structure property relationships, different types of materials, their behavior, properties, and appropriate materials for specific applications. And lastly, describe the impact of engineering solutions in environmental, economic, and societal contexts. So before our preliminary examination, naka-open ng iyong mic. Okay. So before our preliminary examination, we have two major topics. First is about nature of materials and next is structure of crystalline solids. So after our first topic, we have our quiz 1. And our preliminary examination is on 5th week. And it is around September 14 to September 20 ata, if I'm not mistaken. And ang ating midterm exam is on 9th week. And yung ating pang 16th and 17th week is i-allot for your critic paper. So that's all lang naman for our syllabus. Meron ba kayong tanong? May questions ba kayo or clarifications? Yes, Mr. Mercado? Yes, grouping. So, before ko ibigay yung activity na yon, so magbibigay ako ng instructions and tatanungin ko naman kayo kung ano yung prefer nyo, if kayo ang pipili or ako ang magde-decide for your grouping. Now, so we will talk about that after na lang, bago yung ating 16th or 17th week. So may tanong pa ba? Any questions or clarifications? Yes, Miss Mosquisa.
Good morning po, ma'am. Magsasend po kayo ng copy ng syllabus.
If gusto nyo ng copy ng syllabus and then isasend ko yung copy ng syllabus na pinresend ko. Okay, so I will send the syllabus and magsasend din naman ako ng mga lectures natin after the discussion. Any questions? So huwag kayong mahiya magtanong or if may gusto kayong i-clarify, you can message me. Any questions pa? Yes, Mr. Bourbon?
Yes po, ma'am. Ma'am, hindi po ako natawag kanina sa attendance.
Okay. Pero nasa Google Classroom ka na?
Opo.
No. Anyone may concerns pa? Yes, Mr. Mercado. Yes, sige. Pagawa ng GC natin for this subject. Thank you. Any questions pa? So during our discussion naman, open naman ako for your requests, suggestions, and sa mga ideas nyo since fresh grad nga lang ako, so I'm still learning pa din. Any questions pa? If may conflict kayo sa schedule, mag-reach out na lang kayo sa akin. And if ever naman na may ipapagawa ako at makakasabay siya sa ibang gawain, so pwede rin kayong magsabi sa akin para ma-move yung deadline if ever kapag meron akong pag may same activity or pag may same schedule or deadline sa ibang subject. Any question pa? Kindly heart react na lang ulit if wala na kayong tanong lahat. Okay, so since wala naman ng tanong ang lahat, we will start our first discussion on our next meeting na nga lang. I'm requesting everyone to open your camera. I will take a screenshot lang. So thank you. That would be all for today.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Opo.